Good morning everyone. So I am here again with the chapter 1 mathematics real number part 3. Okay, so let's get started. It is related to exercise 1.2, or you can say it is 1.2 exercise. Okay, so let's get started. Now we will learn about the theorem 1.3 that is fundamental theorem of arithmetic, which states that any composite number can be expressed as the product of primes. So first we will learn what are composite numbers and what are prime numbers. Okay, you have studied, but still it is for revision. Okay, so composite number are those number which have more than two factors. Prime number have two factors. Like I take the number 23, so it has two factors that are 1 and 23 itself. While composite number have more than two factors. Like if I take the number 4, so it has more than two factors that are 1, 2 and 4 itself. So this is a composite number. So this was the difference between the two. Now I am having example of fundamental theorem of arithmetic, that is theorem number 1.3. Example is like 36, that is a composite number. Now I can express 36 as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. It is the product of many primes. So this is what fundamental theorem of arithmetic states. Or I can write 2 square into 3 square. So from this I can say that composite number can be expressed as the product of primes. Now I have first question of NCERT, that is express each number as a product of its prime factor. So this is very easy, we have done in previous classes also. We have two numbers 140 and 156. We just have to take out the LCM and we have to tell the product of prime factors. Okay, so let's see. So 140 can be expressed as 2 into 70, then 2 into 35, then 5 7 is 35, then 7 1 is 7. Okay, so I can write 140 is equal to 2 multiply 5 multiply 7, or I can say is equal to 2 square into 5 into 7. So it is a product of prime factors. Okay, now we have second part, that is 156. So now I can write 156 as 2 multiply 78, then 2 multiply 39, then 3 into 13, then 13 1 the 13. I can write 156 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 13, or I can say 2 square into 3 into 13. So we are completed with our first question. This was so easy. Now come to second question, which state that find LCM and HCF of two numbers that are 26 and 91 and verify that HCF into LCM is the product of the two numbers. It means that the LCM we will get, I will multiply with HCF and it should be equal to 26 into 91. Okay. So firstly I have taken the LCM of 26 and 91. So I have taken them together, 26 into 91. 2, then 13, and here 91 as it is, then 7, 13, then so you know how to take the LCM of two numbers also. So I can write LCM is equal to 2 into 7 to 13 or is equal to 182. I have got the LCM. Now I will take HCF of 26 and 91. Okay, so you can use any method, this method, division, long division method, or you can Euclid division lemma also you can use. So 26 divisor, 91 dividend. Now I have divided, I got remainder as 13. Now I will divide 26, that was divisor, I will take it as dividend now. So 13 to the 26 is 0. So our HCF will be 13, the last divisor. Okay, understood? Now we have got HCF and LCM also. Now we were asked to verify that HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers, or 26 to 91. So HCF into LCM is equal to 26 into 91. Now 13 into 182 should be equal to 26 into 91, and that's give the same answer. 2366 is equal to 2366. So RHS is equal to LHS, hence verified. So now we can also conclude that HCF and LCM of two number is equal to the product of that two numbers. Okay. Now we will do third question, that is find LCM of 306 and 657 if we are given with HCF of the same two numbers, that is 9. So how we will find LCM? As I have told you that the HCF into LCM of two numbers is equal to the product of their numbers, right? So we will use the same here. So we know that HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers. So I have written 9 on the place of HCF because we are given with that, and LCM as it is. And product of two number, that is 306 into 657. So LCM will be equal to 306 into 657 upon 9. right? And after solving, I will get 22338 as LCM. Understood how to do these type of questions? So let's move on to another one. So now our fourth question is check whether 6 raised power n can end with an indices 0. So n is any natural number here, and we are asked that any number will be there, can it will end with this 0. So let's see, can it be or it will not. We know that any number ending with 0 is divisible by 10 always. Or I can write 10 as 2 into 5. There will be no problem. Okay. I can write 6 raised power n as 2 into 3 raised power n. Now as I've said that the number ending with 0 is divisible by 10, or I can write 2 into 5. But I am getting 6 as 2 into 3. So it is divisible by 2 but not by 5. So we can conclude that 6 raised power n cannot end with this 0. That is very easy. Okay. Now we will do next question, that explain why 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 is a composite number. So what we have to prove in composite number, that there should be more than 2 factors. Okay, so let's see how we'll solve it. Now I will take 13 as common, and in bracket I will be left with 7 to 11, right, and plus 1. Okay, so whatever the number is after the plus, you have to take that number as common. So 13 as common, 7 to 11 plus 1. Now I will multiply, now I will solve the bracket, so I will get 78. 13 into 78. Now we want 3 factor, so 13 into 78 into 1. Okay, so now it is proof that this is a composite. Okay, so this is the last question of exercise 1.2, which state that there are two types of student, Ravi and Sonia. Ravi take 12 minutes to cover the same circle, while Sonia take 18 minutes to do the same. So they are asking when they will meet. So it is clearly that they will meet after 18 minutes. Why? Because Ravi took 12 minutes while Sonia took 18 minutes. So after that they will meet after the longer time. So we will take the LCM. Okay. As I have already told you that they will meet after 18 minutes, it will take longer time, and we will take out the LCM. As I have told you, for smaller thing we use HCF, and for longer we take LCM. Shorter HCF. Okay, like we have to do them in a row, so we will use HCF. For longer time we will take LCM. So LCM of 12 and 18 will give you 2 square into 3 square, that is 36. So they will meet after 36 minutes. It was so easy, and we are complete.